All right. So as you can see, hit daily loss limit today this morning. Um, Lost 1,200 today. I kind of crashed out a little bit and was just being stupid. I was tired this morning and um, I was tired, not thinking, just taking dumb trades. I took. Where's open? I tried taking this trade off of. I think what all I tried taking. I tried taking a playoff um, Asia low, maybe a bounce, but it did, as you can tell, it just, I mean, it fell what, almost 900 points, and then I was just trying to play longs off something, and then I think I entered like here on one. That was about here. I was entering blindly, trying to be dumb. So I hit daily loss limit there, oversized, but I bought a fresh account, fresh direct account. I hit a nice trade on gold. Let's go pull that up real quick. Um, so we had this 15-minute might be better. Yeah. So I drew this range. It could have been, I mean, either candle, but I played it off this. Waited for a break into it. And I took it off the 1 minute. Um, I got in like right at the 0.5 mark. We'll turn on executions. All right, so there's just no execution labels. Interesting. All right, that's cool. But either way, I got in about somewhere around here. Had stop. Had up right below VWAP, and then once it got a nice close, I think it was off this. Once I got a close like, or got a push above here, then I pretty much moved stop to like basically break even. Not quite, but then I had a daily profit target of 600, and I just let it ride. It got that push up. Um, got that push up, and then it was about here. I was about here, and I started coming down. I was like, "Oh snap! This stuff's gonna wake me out." Like barely didn't wake me out. I was really close to this candle right here. Um, and then once it kept pushing up, I just inched it forward a little bit. So minimum I'd have made about 350 or 400 off that trade. I don't quite remember, but then we got this last little push up that had me at $600 or 589, which on these for the 20% consistency rule, you have to have a 20%. How much am I trying to say? On these direct accounts, the 20% consistency rule, you can make about 600 a day if you want to take the max payout. If you want to hit the $3,000 profit goal in the 5 days. Um, so that's that. There's open. Shut my door. Sorry. So we could take some trades on this account. We have some money to make back. It sounds bad saying that, but go ahead and mark out previous day too, because it was an interesting day to say the least. 9:30 to 16:15. So POCs are lined up ish. I'd like to see a bounce. We're pretty far away from any other one. We're gonna label these PDPH. So realistically, if it comes down all the way here, I'd be happy taking a 35-point long. That size fairly small, so it's U35, trying to get $2 a point, so let's just say 40 points roughly. 40 points, 81, no, 160. So I don't know, I might size a little heavier on that, but I don't know. Gold, what are we doing? Low-key, there might be a trade like happening right now. We could, we'll go ahead and enter 2 contracts. TP there, set it below this. Kind of just yellowing on this account at this point. So one seller there. And we'll just go ahead and target those daily highs. Oh, do not want to do that. Q, what are you looking like? Just floating around POC. Might get that pushed down. Take a live trade here. This is not looking promising. I don't know, I mean, we might get a push up. It is what it is. We still have it. All right, so just wants to stay at POC. I don't know, kind of just wants to fall. Not a great. And that is. Just let's see. I mean, VWAP was in it. It's no really reason that trade shouldn't have won. I mean, it's not a bad setup. I would have taken that multiple times. This is just still wanting to float around POC. I like to see it play off something though. 70-point range. With VWAP flown by it to it. I don't know. I mean, it had a huge move today. I don't know if it wants to. Today was an interesting day. It shot up this morning because of news. Let's see. This morning, yeah, at 8:30 we had a 150-point candle pre-market, and then it just fell and deleted the whole earnings move from yesterday. So, yeah, I mean, it is what it is. Got cooked today on this account, but this one is chilling. If I see a good trade on it, I'll enter with like a few contracts. But Let's see if I can't get a short here off this area here. We're gonna slap the limit down about 20 points ish. See if we get a fill here. I'll go 6. I probably won't even get filled anyways, but we will see. That gold just falling still. And we got filled. What's that TP at? POC. So it stops above that candle. Actually, my stop just didn't set. Love that. About there. No. I'll go at like 1. That's fine. I think I still have a little bit. It's a little bit of drawdown on this account. But yeah, I feel like this trade might take a little bit unless it decides to rip in one direction. But yeah, still in the profit on this account. If we lose this trade, we'll be negative a little bit, but it is what it is. I was being stupid today. 100% preventable. I could have walked away with a $300 loss instead of max data loss limit of 1200. So like, it is what it is. I'm frustrated with myself that I can't control myself about that, and it looks like we're gonna lose this trade. Frustrated with myself about that I can't control my emotions over that. I was just bored today and tired, and I just hopped on the charts and started taking random trades. But yeah, is what it is. I think I'm gonna end that video here. Let this trade play out, but once it decides to go stop me here, which it looks like it wants to. We will see. Yeah. All right. I'll stay journal. Thank you.